Good morning, no, una welcome. My name is Peace. Today I want to show you how to make meat pie. And the ingredient we can do the meat pie now: Irish potato, carrots, green pepper, onions, and meat. As you don't see, I don't already chop my ingredients. Now what we go do be say we go prepare the sauce. Okay. We'll light our gas. I don't already put oil inside pot. Now we'll fry the chopped onions. You say don't hot, okay. Our green pepper. Carrots. Now I go put the Irish potato. I don't chop. I think they're very colorful. Then add, you can put your parboiled meat, yeah, and stir. You can put some seasoning cube, maggi, pepper, salt, anything where you like. Make the sauce get taste. Some curry. And salt. You can put small. You go put small water. You go let it make steam for like 5 minutes. Alright, let us steam for 5 minutes. So I don't prepare my sauce finish. See how it there. Now for the dough, we need flour, butter, sugar, and baking powder. If you even put nutmeg if you like. So I don't put my flour inside bowl. Cut butter. So not to need measurement. Anyhow you want put them. Put down, massage it. Make sure say the butter and the sugar they mix together. Butter and flour. After you don't mix them, go put sugar. Put your sugar. You go still dey mix am till you know say the butter and the flour don't mix together. Now you go add small salt to taste. Salt to taste. Baking powder. Mix am well, mix am well. Mix it. After mixing, go put small egg I will mix am. Then come dey put water little by little, small. Put the water again. I don't mix am finish. Now you go to cut am small, transfer to your rolling board. Roll am. You go roll am in a circular motion so that you go fit come out. No roll am too flat to make the thing come up small. Put am for your meat pie pan. Put the sauce. Don't carry brush the edges so that it go close. Press am. But if you don't get this meat pie cutter for her, I go still show you how you want to do am. You go continue like that for all your meat pie dough. Now I don't mold and finish. Now I go use egg, brush the top of the meat pie. This brushing now so that the meat pie no go dey white. That's why they carry egg. They call an egg wash. An egg wash I dey do so. Now if I don't finish with the egg wash, we will go put them inside oven for 15 to 20 minutes. After we will check them. Our meat pie done ready. As you see at the egg wash we are doing, now make the thing very brown like this. See how the thing there, very yummy. I beg you, may I not fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm. Thank you.
Make una not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or if you even call us. Thank you.